What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let's go and begin the chart analysis for BABA, and I know this one is probably going to be highly requested because there's a lot of indecision going on in the market. So what does it look like BABA is doing? Well, after looking at this deeply, it looks like this is inconclusive. The data doesn't really show me any strong direction for a uptrend or downtrend, or even sideways. It will probably go sideways more than likely. So the data is kind of showing me inconclusive signs, meaning I'm kind of neutral. I'm not sure where pricing can be going because this area right here on the chart is not a strong area. So let's go ahead and put on the macro picture. The macro picture is this ranging pattern: 120 resistance, $80 support. These are the key levels, the obvious ones that anyone can look at and say, hey, this is probably where we're finding resistance and this is where we're finding support. So we got our key levels on the chart. So the bulls made one large leg up, and the bears made one large leg down. So the market moves in twos generally. So we saw one large push down from the shorts, the aggressive shorts. The market pulled back. There's a good chance we'll probably do another large push down. And the market tried 2 times to get there. So it tried one large attempt here. This was the second attempt, and it looked like it was failing at this triple bottom because this $80 level was strong support. Prices got back over the EMA, started trending higher. We started rocketing higher. Then all of a sudden it failed, and now we're just going back lower. So that's not a good sign. That's not what you want to see during that impulse up. That impulse up should have continued much higher instead of being trapped right over here. So what should have happened was we should have continued higher off that $80 level, possibly even to the opposite side of the range at the 120 level, because it looked like the shorts were trapped. However, price got rejected from the 93, 94 level, and now we're back halfway of the entire move up. So there's still a possibility of getting another push up higher, but again, that's probably unlikely because I'm just not sure what's going on over here. Looks like we might just be going sideways, if more than anything. So one thing I'm trying to figure out is why do we just get rejected from this 94 level? If I connect the swings, a channel doesn't really represent the price that well. But if I put a trend line off of this swing and I drag it over, this kind of comes into play. So you can see this downward momentum, but equal lows. So it looks like there's some type of, you could say, triangle pattern going on here. Or it's just a compression. So basically it's 2 patterns dueling it out. We have the range support trying to push up prices, and now we have this lower momentum trying to bring down prices. So we'll see which one wins out. That's what I'm saying. What I mean by I'm not sure what the data is telling me. This area on the chart right here is not that strong. It's not leading to any strong direction. So I'm just not sure right now. I think other chartists or traders are also waiting for some more data to pull up on the chart for more confirmation on what's going to occur. So right now I'm not sure, but this $80 level needs to hold. If we do a failed breakout, then that's fine too, something like that. But it generally needs to hold if we see this pullback go all the way down there. What would be even nice if we just stop right now and then see a push up higher. So we'll see if that occurs. So that's all I have on the daily chart for BABA. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for BABA, and basically we have been inside of this ranging pattern since March of last year. So that was the candle that pretty much kicked off this sideways trading. So you see how well prices are fitting inside of here. There was a fail break on the bottom, but prices still came back in the range and started finding support. So we saw a nice push up from the buyers, but a nice push down from the sellers. They were trying to reach this measure move target right here at the 63 level, but it looked like they failed, and we got back up with the EMA, but then we immediately sold off again. But this could be just a trap, maybe a higher low. So a higher low is when you pull back after making a push up higher, and then you rocket off of that low. So that would be a higher low. We'll see if that occurs. But also we could just continue trending lower to the $80 level. So right now, like I said before, is a area where there's some indecision. You can see they're making lower highs but equal lows. So we're coming into a compression area. So we're probably gonna see a breakout fairly shortly, probably in the next couple of weeks, and then we'll have a better idea where Baba wants to go. But right now, I'm just not sure. It can go either way. Right now, it's not really a strong bias in either direction right now. So let's see what Baba can do. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.